We are on page 19 in our Learning to Code with Scratch book, and this is what we had at the bottom of page 18, and we're just going to pick up where we left off. So let's go to number 5 at the top of page 19, and it says we want a spooky sound effect. So go to the Sounds tab, which is up here, click on it, and then click on the little speaker here. If you pause the mouse over the speaker, it says this is how you choose a sound from the library. So we'll do that. And now it says select a sound and click on OK. Well, you could probably spend a long time here looking for a spooky sound, but the one that they have is called, if you look inside the little purple box there on the top of page 19, they're choosing Door Creak. So click on Door Creak. And actually I think you can preview it here if you click on it. Yeah, there we go. And click on OK, and then add play a sound block from the sound menu. So let's go back to our ghost here, and we want the script for the ghost, which is our program, and we want to take the play sound, go to our sounds here, and we want to play a sound, and check that out. We've only loaded one sound so far, so it puts that in there by default. If you had multiple sounds, actually it does list all of them here, and you can even record your own if you want to, if you've got a microphone, but by default it pulls Door Creak up here for us. So that is the end of number 5. Oh, there it goes. Let me stop that so it doesn't interrupt us again. Now let's look at number 6. You could add a think or say block from looks to add some dialogue too. So we're going to go to looks, and I guess this is looks because it actually puts something up on the screen, a little bubble with them saying whatever they want to say. And so we're going to take a say for, and this will limit how long it works. So we're going to put this up here, and we're going to do it for 3 seconds. And our message, if you look inside the say box on page 19, it says, watch out, mortal, the computer is haunted. And I said commuter, actually that's not how you spell commuter either, but I left the letter P out, okay? And so let's go ahead and run it now. Our ghost should get lighter, or start off light and get darker, that is. And then we're going to play the sound, and then we're going to have the ghost say something to us. So here we go. He's in the loop now. About ready for the Door Creak here. And then we get the bubble up there for 3 seconds. Okay, now let's go to number 7, and it says to make the ghost move smoothly, take a glide block from the motion. So he's moving, it's going to be a motion command, and somewhere in here there is a glide which will cause him to move smoothly. Okay, and we're going to add that. It looks like we're just adding that on the end here, and then what we're going to do is have him go to we're going to take 1.5 seconds. So I'll put 1.5 in here, and then we want to, on the X, we want to go to 50, and on the Y we want to go to minus 85. So let's do 50 and minus 85. Okay, let's give it a try. It's going to get darker and darker. And then he moves down. Okay, now we're on number 8. To make the sprite seem to get closer, add a change size block from looks to the bottom of your script. So looks is the purple, and we're looking for a change size command, and this is change size right here. And what we're going to have him do is we're going to have him change size by 100. So click on that, type a 100 on top of it, and now let's go to our green flag here. And he gets really big really fast. And that is the bottom of page 19. So we're going to stop this video here. And what I want you to do for homework is I want you to go through this and do the exact same thing. You can tweak it a little bit. You can pick a different figure instead of a ghost. You can change the amount of the ghost effect. You can play a different sound. You can have a different message. You can have them glide to a different place. You can make his size different. But basically do all of those things, but you can tweak it yourself so that it's unique to you. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and we will continue with page 20.